Hi, I'm Lilly Porcho with Sanger West Productions, and you're watching This Week at West, where we update you on what's happening around campus and fill you in with how you can get involved with the Hornets community. It's the last week of school before spring break. Make sure your assignments are completed and turned in before we leave. Thursday, open house will take place from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Come by with your family to enjoy food trucks, visiting your classes, and talking with your teachers. You also have the chance to tour the brand new Student Union. Congratulations to the Hornets who have been selected for following their West expectations of working hard, establishing connections, showing respect, and taking initiative. Friday will also be an activity scheduled due to the rally. For more on the rally, let's hear from Rally Commissioner Gigiana Baker. Thank you for joining us, Gigi.
Thanks for having me, Lily.
What can we expect from the rally this Friday?
So the rally has a very unique theme, so I'm very excited to see how the decorations are going to come out. And we have a lot of fun games which everyone can participate in.
Thanks so much. It sounds really exciting. We want to wish good luck to our robotics team at the Central Valley Regional Robotics Competition, March 27th through 29th. Friday is the last day of school before spring break. We'll see you back on campus Tuesday, April 7th. Stay up to date on what's happening at Sanger West. Follow Sanger West Productions on Instagram and YouTube. You can also email story ideas to our advisor, Sarah Sogomonian. Thanks for watching This Week at West. Have a great week, Hornets. For Sanger West Productions, I'm Lilly Porcho.